Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggless croissants at home without yeast. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, cut in 8 tablespoons of very cold, unsalted butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of ice water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Wrap it and chill for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time for lamination. On a lightly floured surface, roll your chilled dough into a rectangle, roughly 12 by 8 inches. Fold the dough into thirds, just like you would fold a letter. Rotate the dough 90 degrees, then repeat the rolling and folding process 2 more times. Remember to chill the dough for 30 minutes in the refrigerator between each fold to keep the butter cold and prevent sticking. After the final chill, roll the dough out to about 1/8 inch thick. Trim the edges to create a neat rectangle, then cut it into triangles, each about 4 inches wide at the base. Make a small slit, about 1/2 inch, at the center of the wide end of each triangle. Gently roll each triangle from the wide base towards the point, forming the classic croissant shape. Place them on a baking sheet. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious eggless croissants. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the shaped croissants on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully flaky. The aroma will be incredible. Serve them warm and enjoy your homemade, yeast-free eggless croissants. They're perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.